AI in agriculture is revolutionizing the way we approach farming and bringing intelligent technologies to the forefront. Let's explore the transformative applications and advancements that are reshaping the agricultural landscape. Precision farming is a key area where AI is making a significant impact. By leveraging AI algorithms and machine learning, farmers can optimize resource allocation, precisely apply fertilizers and pesticides, and tailor cultivation practices to specific soil and crop conditions. This data-driven approach enhances productivity, minimizes waste, and promotes sustainable farming practices. Crop monitoring and disease detection are critical components of AI in agriculture. AI-powered systems can analyze satellite imagery, drone data, and sensor readings to monitor crop health, detect early signs of disease, and take timely preventive measures. This proactive approach helps farmers mitigate crop losses, optimize treatments, and ensure a healthy and robust yield. Smart irrigation systems empowered by AI algorithms play a vital role in water conservation. These intelligent systems can analyze weather data, soil moisture levels, and crop water requirements to deliver the precise amount of water needed for optimal plant growth. By minimizing water usage and reducing water wastage, AI-driven irrigation systems contribute to sustainable farming practices and environmental preservation. Predictive analytics is another powerful application of AI in agriculture. By analyzing historical data, weather patterns, and crop-specific variables, AI algorithms can forecast crop yields, predict market trends, and assist farmers in making informed decisions. This helps farmers optimize their production plans, manage their resources effectively, and maximize their profitability. In our upcoming videos, we will delve deeper into advanced AI applications in agriculture, such as automated harvesting systems, robotic farming, and AI-powered plant breeding techniques that enhance crop quality and resilience. As we embrace the era of AI in agriculture, we invite you to stay tuned for more in-depth insights, emerging technologies, and practical applications that are transforming the farming industry. Don't miss out on these valuable AI insights that have the potential to revolutionize the way we grow and produce food. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey into the world of AI in agriculture.